Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. My family has discovered standing tower fans and now we have one in every bedroom. This tower fan from JRD is absolutely the best one in the house. We love how powerful it is. We just set it in our living room during the hot summer months and it kept us nice and cool despite being in a large room. And it is quiet enough that it didn't disturb us while we were watching a family movie. I also like the way it looks. It's sleek and modern and it has an LED control panel. We love that it comes with a remote control so you're able to control your settings from across the room. And when you're not using the remote, it has a little built-in space on the top of the fan where you can keep it. This fan has many different modes for you to choose from, whether you would like for it to oscillate or not. Also, you can choose the fan speed, or you have the option to put it on automatic mode and it will judge the fan speed by the temperature in the room. Overall, my family loves this fan. So if you're looking for a tower fan that looks good, keeps you nice and cool, and is quiet enough to keep in your living room, then you're going to love this fan from JRD. And that's my point of view.